In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a button with a form in Sqaurespace. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable button on your page that opens a form, perfect for signups, inquiries, or feedback. First, head to the page in your Squarespace editor where you want the button to live. Enter edit mode and move your cursor to the spot where the button should appear. When you see the insertion indicator, click Add Block. This opens the block picker, which is where you add all kinds of content to a section. From the block picker, choose Button. Squarespace will drop a default button onto the page. You can drag it to fine-tune its placement inside the section if needed. Don't worry about the label or link just yet. We'll customize those next. To edit the button, double-click it. This opens the button settings panel so you can change its text and link without leaving the page. If you don't see the panel right away, make sure you're still in edit mode and that you've selected the button element itself. Update the button text to something clear and action-oriented. Short labels like sign up, get started, or open form work best. Keep it specific so visitors know exactly what will happen when they click. You can revisit the button style later through your site styles to match your brand, but the label should be clear now. Next, click Attach Link. Because we're pointing people to a form hosted elsewhere, like Google Forms, Typeform, or Jotform, choose the option to add a web address. This tells Squarespace to send the click to an external URL instead of a page within your site. Now, paste in your form link. Make sure you've copied the final shareable URL from your form provider and that the form's sharing or public access settings are enabled. A quick tip: set the link to open in a new tab if that option is available. That way, visitors can complete the form and easily return to your site afterward. Click Apply or Save in the button settings. Then exit edit mode by selecting Done and saving your changes. Preview your page and click the button to test it. The form should open smoothly and be fully usable. If it doesn't, double check that the URL was pasted correctly and that the form is publicly accessible. That's it. You've added a button, customized the label, attached a form link, and verified it works, all within a few minutes. Save your changes, publish when you're ready, and you're good to go.